journey. Today, I'm going to be making chicken curry. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button on and turn the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Now let's get started. The powders are 4 teaspoons of coriander powder and 4 teaspoons of chicken masala powder and 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. The main ingredients are 1 kilogram of chicken pieces, as much as curry leaves, and 5 chilies, and 10 garlic cloves, and medium-sized ginger, and 2 tomatoes, and 1 onion, and 2 potatoes. Put the oil in the pan and sputter the mustard seeds. Next you put onion. Now we add the green chili. Add the ginger. Now you add your garlic. Now you add the curry leaves. Now you mix all the ingredients together. Do this until it becomes brown. Now you can add a little bit of salt to your onion. Now you're ready to add the powders. Now you can add all the powders together. Sop the powders until it's well done. Now you're going to add a little bit of coconut milk and water. Now you can add a little more salt if you want. Now you turn the flame at medium. Now you're going to add the chicken pieces. Now you mix it well. Now you're going to add the potatoes and the tomatoes. Now you mix the ingredients all together. Now you can cover the pan and cook it for 15 minutes. I smell something really good. Let's go check it out. It's almost ready. We can add some cilantro leaves. Now our chicken curry with gravy is ready to serve. Let's try it. It's so good. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to watch my other video. Bye.